Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back to Bones' Vlogs. We're here at the mountain, and there you go. That's just a glimpse. Oh look, there's some people going right now. So yeah, we're here. I know I didn't film anything in the hotel, but that's because there's no point. So we've got a new camera that should hopefully be able to download files and stuff onto the computer so I can actually get good video on the mountains. We're here at a place called Brighton or something, so we managed to find a parking space, which is good. And now we're going to go in. There was also a really windy drive up, so Skelty got a little bit car sick, but I think we're all good now. There's 5 of us, but since it's a human-sized car, it's pretty spacious. So that was a super fun day on the mountain. Really nice, just getting to know the place. We went down a bunch of runs. We're eating some pasta now. But there's just it's so massive. I can't even explain how big this place is. There's this one place in West Virginia called Snowshoe Mountain, and we thought that was big, but this has like over 50 trails or something. I don't even know. There's one section we went to where it was super cold, but there was a ton of just fresh powder. And then we totally got stuck, but it was still pretty fun. And then there's one run that it's just really cool. In general, had a lot of fun. Also, I tried to go off some jumps and some like little bumps and things because I wanted to make it a little more interesting, and it's just fun. And actually, ironically, the craziest, highest jump was on a bunny slope, and so I hit the jump, and I thought that I felt like I just launched into space. I reached escape velocity and rocketed out of the atmosphere. But on camera, it looks like this. So it's kind of lame. And I did a bunch of jumps and they're all kind of lame. But it was still pretty fun to me, but it might not be exciting watching. Alright guys, good night. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I tried to do my best to get some good video, but I mean, you never know. There's a lot of times where I went off a big jump, or I felt like I was going really fast, and in the video, it looks like I was going really slow, or the jump was not high at all, so it may seem like it was kind of lame, but when I was going down, it was super fun. So yeah, we had a great time today. We're gonna go back to the same mountain tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that, and then the day which is, for us, Monday, but that vlog will be up like a week later. That day is gonna be our rest day, and then on Tuesday, we have to get up super, super, super early. So not really looking forward to getting up super early, but I'm definitely looking forward to getting more runs on the mountain, although I'll be very tired at the end of all of it. And actually, Ossian and I have a conference we have to go to. So, and Malleus actually. So Malleus is good, he has some background in business, so he wanted to come over. He's kind of a good diplomat and stuff, and he's good with some business things. And I'm going because I'm the ALGS official representative, and Dan would have came, but he has some business he has to take care of. Since he's a builder, he also helps. He's really good at building, so he's sort of like a contractor, and he helps build buildings in Talkingworld. So we had a big project. So for a few of the days, for Sunday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so the day after tomorrow and the day after that, I'm not gonna be doing the vlog. At least I'm not gonna be on the mountain. Skelty is. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. I'm burning you in the furnace. Stove. This doesn't even look like a furnace. What am I even talking about?